So I get calls all the time saying, what are these things coming out of these little, what is this soil? What is all of this caused by? Well, it's caused by mole crickets. And they get underneath the soil and they burrow through the soil. And this is what comes out when they burrow through it. You see the little burrow and you see the hole, and usually that's a mole cricket. Now what we do is we just treat with an insecticide spray, and we'll come next month during the maintenance and spray again. But proper cultural care, making sure the soil is well irrigated, aerated, and make sure there's not a lot of thatch is going to, but when it does happen, it does happen. It happens at certain times of year when they're birthing, and you see all of this dirt just piled everywhere, and it just burrowed out of the ground, and those are signs of mole cricket.